Guys, label read po natin tong kung mabisang effective na pwedeng gamitin antiseptic or mouthwash for sore throat or gingivitis or after mong bunutan ng teeth or if namamaga yung teeth mo na so para mabawasan yung sakit or yung gums mo if namamaga para mabawasan yung sakit. So Povidone iodine, betadine gorgel, 1% oral solution antiseptic helps stop sore throat fast. So treatment siya for sore throat. Medyo nung pandemic era yung COVID time, maraming gumamit ito. So 120 ml. Then basahin natin yung kanyang mga directions. So directions to use so medyo mayroon siyang basahin, so zoom natin. Use undiluted or dilute with 1 part of water. Rinse and gargle with 15 ml up to 4 times a day for about 14 days. So hanggang 2 weeks lang, or advise your doctor. So 30 seconds na siyang gargle for sore throat or hygiene or during surgery or before surgery and dental procedures. So 2 to 3 minutes gargle for ulcer or yung singaw. So kung may singaw o mouth ulcer, so 2 to 3 minutes na mumog or gargle. So spit out after use, wag lulunukin. So rinsing after use is not necessary. Do not swallow. So hindi na kailangang magmumog ng water after use. So dapat nga hindi kasi mawawala yung bisa na iodine. So contraindication, sensitivity to iodine, hyperthyroidism. If accidentally swallowed in large amount, contact your healthcare professional. So kung accident na swallow to, dapat mag-take ng activated carbon. Activated carchol, yun ang universal antitoxin, yung universal carbon, activated carbon. So overdose and treatment, and then yung kanyang parang specifications or ingredients. So povidone iodine, betadine, 1% oral gargle is a broad spectrum germicidal gargle. So that rapidly kills harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Its golden brown color indicates a potent iodine germ-killing power. Povidone iodine or betadine brand, 1% oral gargle is mint flavor, well tolerated, and does not stain the teeth. So hindi siya nakaka-stain ng teeth. And okay naman siya sa taste. So each formulation is povidone iodine USP 10 mg equivalent to 1 mg iodine. So okay. Then yung kanyang solvent na 96% alcohol. So USP parang standard siya. Okay. Mag-google mo naman ang ibig sabihin ng USP. So indication as protective measures to aid infection control, as oral germicide for fast and soothing relief of sore throat, was breath freshener, mouthwash for oral hygiene, and some other. So manufactured by Mundi Pharma Distribution. Manufactured for Mundi Pharma Distribution by Interpil Laboratories. So made in Kabuyokan, Lumangta. So then meron siyang 3 years na storage. So yun lang guys. So thank you.